doing? Maddie, what day is it?
Christmas!
Yeah.
And I have a present for you and Mama right now. Can I give it to you guys?
As soon as Mama is ready.
Well, we are just sitting on the top of the stairs as Mama said so. And she just walked past you. And there's some presents under the Christmas tree, I hope.
I hope so too.
And I hope there's presents in our stockings.
Alright, why don't you guys come on down?
Can I give the present to you guys right now?
Sure.
Okay.
Come on down.
It's
Come on, Nate.
Rudolph.
Wait, do I want it flash or no flash?
Rudolph, the red-nosed
Flash on?
reindeer.
Yeah.
This is the present that I was hiding for you guys.
Wow, that's cute.
There's presents under the Christmas tree. You didn't forget about the Elsa doll. Oh my God.
Nate, come look.
I'll leave this right over here for you guys.
Nate, show me what?
This is for you, Nate, from me.
Wait.
That's for you.
Nate, what'd Santa leave you?
Oh my gosh! Look at this! It's the Elsa doll! And that huge Barbie Mega Block There's a huge presents! Oh my
What
god!
did you get? What did Santa get you? Look, no, look. Mickey's?
Which one is to me?
Let's just wait a second,
Oh.
honey.
Maddie, what about the note you left to Santa and the cookies?
Oh,
I think my battery is dying.
thanks for the cookies. Rudolph says thanks for the reindeer food. Merry Christmas, Maddie and Nate. Love, Santa. And look.
Hmm.
And he ate all the cookies.
Oh my goodness.
Show me.
You must have been really hungry.
Uh-huh.